ยืนบนหญ้าเลยนะครับยืนบนหญ้าตรงหญ้ายืนบนหญ้าเลยครับโอเคนี่คือสิ่ง
Hello, good afternoon. So now we are here at the zoo, 𝗏𝗏 Open Zoo here in Qianburi Province. Okay, and now let's see. So we have the one mission after this, after photo session. So we're gonna find Moo Deng, the baby hippopotamus. So right, it is time for photo first, and after that we're gonna move to see Moo Deng together. Everybody, so keep watching and stay tuned.
อันนี้เป็นชุดอะไร This is a Thai costume with a กางเกงช้าง
Is that the some people, the foreigner know like a elephant pants? So now we have to bring from the every province of Thailand to promote about their province. So thank you very much for all. Any province to supporting all the ladies for this special plan, and of course to thank you one of the sponsors from MGI Export to bring us for the beautiful t-shirts for MGI 2024 t-shirts today. It's as you see, it's from because Thailand is the plant from Peaches province, and of course the other girls so will bring to show you about the beautiful they have. After that to see there's bit on Honduras is from Korat or Nakhon Ratchasima province. In a lot of city in Thailand to bring us to show you about the beautiful they have to show the iconic in the pants. Hey. To see Moo Deng.
ได้อีกที
ช็อตนะคะเรื่อยๆก็ขอชวนชมนะคะเพื่อนๆสาวงามทุกท่านนะคะเข้าสู่การดูหมูเด้งนะคะ Welcome to Thailand
ฮัลโหลแล้วบิดไปข้างหลัง
Hello. Good afternoon.
Hi, hello everyone.
So now we are here, 𝗏𝗏 Open Zoo.
𝗏𝗏 Open Zoo. I'm so excited to see all the animals. Capybara.
Capybara.
Capybara, 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 capybara. Of course, Moo Deng, she's so famous and she's the star of the show. Everybody's excited, right? Yes.
Okay, so now we move together.
Monkey
outside.
Where?
Look, monkeys outside the cage.
Huh?
หันกล้องไปแล้ว turn the camera. The monkey.
I didn't see it.
Where?
อยู่ตรงเนี้ย
I
I
didn't see.
didn't see it.
Where's monkey?
Oh, there. It's
Where is
there. On the,
Oh.
You want to say
Where is it?
Where is it? Where is it? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Who? Let me see. Who we wanna see first? What do you think, guys? Hello.
So now we're gonna move.
Here we are. How can I say in Thai? How can I say in Thai? Chanak. Chanak Moo Deng. Chanak Moo Deng. Are you excited to
know Moo Deng?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
So he's so famous. We heard a lot about it. And yeah, in TikTok, super famous, and we are so excited to meet. So let's go. Yeah, a lot of photos and video. I hope that I can be viral in TikTok again.
And listen, the song is like Moo Deng.
Moo Deng, Moo Deng, Moo Deng.
How to dance?
How to dance?
Moo Deng, Moo Deng,
Moo Deng. Got excited, guys. Sorry. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the zoo. Go inside. See all the animals. Yeah. And have like many exotic animals as well. I'm so excited. This is the first place that we are.
It's monkey.
Okay, we're gonna take a picture.
Okay.
ครับขอบคุณครับหมูเด้งโอเคนะครับวิทย์การจากอิตาลีนะครับหมูเด้งครับนิวซีแลนด์สเปนฮอนดูรัสอียิปต์
Hello, Christiana. Where we gonna go? เรานั่งขยับออนไลน์หมูเด้งมาหมูเด้งTrust how to dance มาหมูเด้งMommy, show me.
No, I didn't learn. I haven't learned yet. You didn't show me how. Teach me.
Mommy's very sexy.
No, how? How?
หมูเด้งพี่ครับผมไลฟ์อยู่พี่ผมไลฟ์อยู่ครับหมูเด้ง
Moo Deng.
Champi, you dance.
You dance. You know how to dance or dance?
After we meet
Dance.
No, you dance.
He know how to dance.
together
You dance. Now for the people.
you sing
Champi dance.
Okay you sing
Yeah. Moo Deng.
Okay good job Okay hello girls
Hello.
Are you excited
Oh yes. Very excited. Can't wait for it. I would like to touch him. Yeah.
Okay, you can touch him.
Is that possible?
I think it's possible because it's a lot of people
Okay.
It's a lot of people area
Oh my god, I can't wait for it.
Yeah Okay USA
Yes.
Say something to the cat
Guys, I'm low-key nervous to see Moo Deng. I've heard a lot about him. Very famous. So I'm gonna overcome my fear of hippopotamuses today.
Really? You have
Yes, I do. I watch a lot of animal documentaries, and I see the hippopotamus always going after the boats in the water. They're always like, they swim so fast. So today, I heard Moo Deng was very nice and sweet. So that'll be a change of pace. I'm excited. Cute little hippopotamus. You ready?
Yeah, I can't wait for it. He looks so cute, really. I think I'm gonna die.
I don't think I've seen a hippopotamus since I was a child, like at another zoo. So this is my first time seeing a baby hippo. But everything smaller is cute.
Yeah.
Always like anything that's like miniature size is automatically cute. But we're at the zoo today. It stopped raining right before we got here, so it's perfect timing, everyone.
It's always like made for us.
Yes. Every time we have an event, it starts to rain, but then it stops raining at the perfect time, and then we get to enjoy ourselves. Yes, yes, yes.
What about you?
What is the question? Are you excited to see Moo Deng?
Who isn't excited to see Moo Deng? Yeah, Moo Deng is so cute. I found out that hippos are carnivores. If he wants my finger to eat, I'll give it to him. No problem.
You heard it here
he can have
first.
it. So anything for him, and I want to see all the animals. And I already told the MGI organizers, I said, keep a very tight, close eye on me, because I might take an animal and kidnap it. So watch me very carefully. I might steal an animal from the zoo.
No, she's not a thief, guys.
I might.
She's just kidding. She's just
I'm
kidding.
so serious. I might take an animal, so keep an eye on me. Watch me, okay? Don't let me do it.
We're gonna keep an eye out on India. Let's hope she's not on the dinner menu for Moo Deng, and let's hope she doesn't steal an animal from the zoo.
And also keep an eye on her fingers.
Yes, keep an eye on her fingers.
On your fingers. That you don't lose a finger, please.
Yeah, that you're not on the menu for Moo Deng today.
If he wants it, why not? I mean, we need it to ride.
Yeah, why not?
He might need it to be happy, to feel full.
Yeah.
We just seen the mini Moo Deng memorabilia, so hopefully we get to have some memorabilia here, like some pillows, some different type of Moo Deng snack. We're excited.
Yeah, we're excited. So let's go for the Moo Deng.
Yes, let's see who else. Possible. Are you excited about Moo Deng?
I'm very, very, very excited to see all the animals today. And I'm so excited to see the penguins. Penguins. Because they said when penguins get together, they will be stayed together all the time of her life. And that's why I love them.
When's the last time you went to the zoo?
Yes.
What was
When's the last time you went to the zoo?
About 6 months in Austria, yes. I was at a very big zoo and was very, very interesting. But I'm so excited to see the zoo here in Thailand. Very
I know
awesome.
there were going to be penguins here because it is so warm.
Look there. I think they got maybe.
It's warm, so I'm excited to see penguins. I thought, it's a little too warm for penguins, but they're pushing through.
Maybe another art of
Yeah.
penguin.
penguins?
Yes, yes.
Another species of penguin that can kind of survive like a warm temperature.
What about you, Greenland? Are you excited today?
Well, I am a true animal lover, and I'm so excited to come here and see all the beautiful animals they have here. And sharing this experience with all my grand sisters is going to be even more fun. So I'm so excited for this, and especially for the baby hippo. It looks so cute. I just want to take it home and kidnap it and just have it in my room. But yeah, what about you, Ivory Coast? Are you excited for today?
Yes, of course. I'm excited to see that baby hippo, of course, because my roommate the whole week talked about it. So I just want to see it now. It's like a little star. So let's see. And yeah, all week she said like, oh, we're gonna see the stars, like the little Kim Kardashian, So I'm excited to see it. Yeah. Okay. Do I pass the microphone to?
Hi, Brazil.
Hi guys, hello, how are you? We are here, so happy to be in the zoo. We are going to see Buddha, how to say the name? Buddha, I'm so happy. It's my first time. I'm going to be a little hippopotamus. I'm so happy. I come from the countryside, so I really love the animals, and I grow up with a lot of animals, so I cannot wait to see different kinds of animals that is here, and I'm so happy to be here. And the energy today is very high. We are so happy around the nature and enjoy the moment. We had a great and amazing lunch. I really enjoyed so much the Thai cuisine restaurant. Nara was so great. Thank you so much, everyone. And the fans was there. Love you guys. How are you feeling today? You happy to be here to see the little Buddha?
Yes,
Oh,
I'm so happy. Look, one person they gave me this, and I was so amazed. Thailand, they can't stop amaze me. People so lovely, so beautiful, so happy. They are always smiling, and that's something that we have to learn. Always smile.
Yes, I love this because if you feel a little bit sad, you just go out from home and you're gonna be happy because Thai people, they are very happy.
You just have to smile once to make everything different.
Yes, the energy here is different. People are like us in Brazil, we happy all the time. That's why I'm happy a lot. Yeah,
America.
Yeah, America. Yeah. We all happy girls. And look where we are.
ที่สองนะครับก่อนที่
So we are starting.
Yes. How are you, Canada?
I'm really good. I love animals. And when I was younger, I used to pray for the animals because I live in Canada and I was always worried about them being cold, so I used to pray for the animals every single night.
Oh, you're so sweet. What is there?
ที่สี่นะครับ
Monkeys. I don't know. Monkeys. Macacos. What do you see there?
I have no idea, but I saw something black in something big and black in the tree.
Okay, let's see. I really love these. Oh my God, so nice. I really like to be close to nature. It's make me feel happy and in peace. What we are?
ซ้ายมือนะครับจะเป็นที่ป้อนอาหารและบ้างนะครับชุดละ3
Let's see what's coming. Oh, so nice. What called? The name. Oh, they're so cute. What do you think, guys? You enjoying? You enjoy, girls?
Of course.
Yes. What do you think about?
Nothing yet. I want to see him, so I'm waiting.
Wait. It's too early.
บ้างนะครับสถานีของเราจะมี9สถานีนะครับสถานีของเราจะมี9สถานีนะครับ
We're waiting to see.
I love that we can see the animals, but in their background with trees, and they are free. I love that way.
I feel so good to be around the nature. Like I grow up like this in places like this, and I feel home.
And it makes us also feel like peace.
Yes.
It's amazing how every creation is so amazing. It's so big. So
It's amazing. God blessed us with so much beautiful things, and we need to be grateful every day. And also thanks to Miss Grand International for this amazing experience here. Thank you. In my family we have cows, we have horses, we have fishes, and I plant trees a lot. Like
you will stay here planting trees.
you will stay here. Yes. We have a lot of animals, even rabbits as well, and dogs and cats, and a lot.
So now we are looking for an animal that is here. We are trying to find them.
I plant more than 300 trees per year. I plant a lot with my family. It's my dad's thing, and we really care about nature.
Wow, that's amazing. We have to learn. We have to learn.
Yes. I teach you girls. It's easy. Just put your hands to work, you know.
You will stay here. So now we're starting our tour in the zoo.
Ask Amelia what she's thinking about. Amelia.
What you are seeing?
A monkey.
I didn't see the monkey.
It was on the way. Yeah, I was looking for the monkey, but in the trees, and I just saw it. It was like going and walking around us.
That's cute. Even though 2 days ago we saw a monkey, it's like now. Wow.
They are beautiful hippopotamus.
Wow. Look all these beautiful people. Yeah. Sawadika.
The lazy one is me. Where is the giraffe? The giraffe, there is giraffe here because I can't go with them, you know. You can take the picture together, yeah? They are my family, me and the giraffes, you know. Tata and the giraffes.
Look this part.
They're showering now, they are showering. Hi. Oh, here is hippopotamus. What are you expecting for today?
Hello.
What are you expecting for today?
I'm feeling good. I'm very happy.
You feel happy today?
I feel super excited. I can't wait to meet the star of the show today.
Everyone's talking about it, so we can't wait to know it. So now, it's a moment that we are waiting for many days since we are here in Thailand. Yes! So come here with us. We also want you to know with us and to meet him together. Thank you. Thank you, baby. You are happy to be here?
I am so excited to meet Moo Deng.
He's so famous.
The most famous celebrity in Thailand right now. Moo Deng, Moo Deng, Moo Deng.
Finally, we are here. Now we are walking to know.
Many people here for Moo Deng.
Yes. I think that almost every people has to be here to meet him.
Yeah, most definitely. We're all here to see her.
So let's go. Look, these beautiful people, Thailand people, so lovely always. How do you feel, South Africa?
I'm so excited to meet Moo Deng. I think I looked at some photos and he's the cutest little thing ever. I think I'm gonna take him with me home. Yeah.
Okay, you can take it.
Can I?
I think so.
Can I take it?
Yeah.
I'm taking Moo Deng with me, guys.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. You're happy to meet him?
For sure.
He's so cute. Oh, you already met him?
No. My first time and she went viral recently.
Okay. Yes. So first time also with us. So come here. Let me together. Come here. Come. Look. It's a big one. Look. Do you like him?
He's cute. He's sleeping right now.
Sleeping?
Beauty.
Where?
He's sleeping right there.
It's sleeping.
Too cute.
It's so cute. Oh my god. It's so little?
It's so little.
Yeah.
Looks like a jelly bean.
Look at it. It's a baby. Do you expect to be like this?
Yeah, it's so tiny. So sweet. Yeah.
It's a baby, right?
It doesn't look like a baby. This one looks like a mom.
The little one.
Yeah, it's so small. Then it's so slimy. It looks so slimy and it looks so peaceful actually.
Slimy?
Slimy, like slippery.
So cute. She's so cute. Is she or he?
I think this one is she.
She. Okay,
Yeah, I
she.
hope she wakes up like before we leave because I want to see her dancing and doing stuff.
want to know why this makes him or she famous.
She's she.
Why she's famous?
Yeah, I think she's very, very cute and she's adorable, so that's why everyone loves her, and I think that's why she's famous.
How is her dance?
No, I never seen her dance. I just wanted to say, I want to see her moving and doing stuff, being cute, and then.
And now he's just sleeping.
Yeah, she's sleeping. I hope she wakes up before we leave.
Tired from being so famous.
Yeah, look at the
many
line.
activities.
Yeah, look at the line. It's so long. People are waiting to see her, and yeah, I don't know.
Okay, I want a picture also. Look, oh, it's so cute. So cute.
Moo Deng always sleep.
Maybe she can awake.
Oh, cute. Let's go.
I need my picture also here. Yes. Yes. Come with us. We have to know more animals. This zoo is so amazing. So full of nature, trees, and look, these beautiful people here. Hello. So beautiful. Bangladesh, how do you feel today?
I'm very excited. Just came to see Moo Deng, and it's very interesting because I think it's very one of the interesting factor in Pattaya is to see the animals, and I'm glad that we all came here. It's a beautiful weather, so he's eating, and the little one is sleeping.
We have to thank this amazing zoo for Tokyo Zoo, because they are so beautiful, so cute to receiving us here. So we are so thankful Miss Grand International 2024. We thank Tokyo Zoo for all this welcome here. Yes.
Here they can open zoo in Chamberlain province to see all the animals here.
Yes, and you also can make the tour to make it a little bit fast and know more animals. So this is amazing. You have many options here. You can walk, you can go in the bus, you can meet also new people from the whole world, because many people of the whole world come here to know this amazing animal. So come. I know you all can also want to know the giraffe. So here is that giraffe. Yeah. Your cousin? Yeah.
Here. Yeah. Guys, cousin. Hey, cousin. Why you didn't tell me you're here in Thailand? What are you doing here? Oh.
So now you can meet him. Yeah.
Hello, cousin.
Yeah?
Hello. All the way from Thailand.
Yeah, your sister, Brazil. Yeah. Finally. 1HH. They are my sisters. I can sleep here. Look how tall is Brazil. Look how tall. Giraffe. In Spanish, jirafa. In Spanish, jirafa.
Giraffe. It's the same thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Same thing.
I'm like a giraffe. In Spanish, you can say jirafa.
Jirafa. Yeah. Sawadika.
Sawadika, jirafa.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Bye. See you soon. Stay tuned to this live.